Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about this brand which recently launched in India, which is Elf Cosmetics, and I got their foundation. So this is Elf Cosmetics Flawless Finish Satin Foundation. It comes in 17 shade and it retails for 800 rupees for 20 ml. Currently it is available only on Nykaa. Now this foundation claims to be cruelty free, paraben and phthalate free. Also, it says that this is a lightweight foundation which is going to give you a medium coverage and it is suitable for all skin types, and this is an oil free foundation. So, let's see how it worked for me. Let's start with the packaging. So, legit this is the packaging. इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं आया. It did not come in your paper carton, nothing. It was this, that was the packaging, and I have to say that I'm absolutely loving this minimal no wastage policy of Elf. All the necessary information is on the bottle itself, because usually ऐसे हो जाता है कि all the information is on carton, हम carton फेंक देते and then we have no idea what is the expiry, and I really like it. So this is a frosted glass bottle. It is quite sturdy. मेरे हाथ से गलती से एक बार गिर गया था, but कहीं पे भी crack नहीं आया, so that is a good thing. But considering it is bottle, I think थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. And it comes with this pump dispenser which I really like as it is so hygienic. The shade that I got is 300 Sand. It is neutral undertones. I usually prefer foundation with bit of yellow undertones, but I think this suits me pretty well. Currently मेरे face पे यही foundation है. So, let's start with the foundation itself. Iska consistency is slightly on the thicker side. So, this is the consistency. If you can see, it is not very liquidy. It's on the thicker side. And also, this is how much quantity is dispensed in one pump. So, I'll give you a swatch. So, I have tried this foundation with various types with sponge on the half side and a brush on the other half. With sponge, it gives me a much more sheerer coverage, but quite flawless nonetheless. It gives a better coverage with a brush. So, I usually prefer to apply it with brush. It glides on really nicely and it blends very evenly. It does not streak, it does not cling to your dry patches or texturized skin. It just blends completely beautifully and it does give a really flawless finish. Finish wise, it I think is a very demi matte. It is not really satiny, at least on my dry combination skin. It gives you almost medium to full coverage. In one layer you are going to get a good medium coverage, which is enough to hide all the discoloration. So you can layer it quite easily. It is not going to look thick or cakey. I think if you want to take this coverage to full coverage, then 2 pumps of the product is going to be sufficient. I had some discoloration over here, but as you can see, इतना नहीं दिख क्या रहा है. In one pump you are going to get like a medium coverage. With 2 pumps, which is I feel on my face is 2 layers, you get completely full coverage and it looks really beautiful. This is a really lightweight foundation. लगाने के बाद ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है कि I have applied makeup, although I have full face of makeup right now. Makes your skin look really nice and very skin like. Now there are few things about this foundation जो मेरे को थोड़ा खटका, and that is that since I have a dry combination skin, if I use it without prepping my skin properly, it tends to look a bit dry on me. So it doesn't really exaggerate my texturized skin, but what it does is it looks a bit dry. So I found this perfect way to use this foundation, and if you are someone who is dry skinned like me, then I think this way is going to look really good for you. What I do is I start with really good moisturized face, then I go with the foundation and then I set it with a setting spray. Setting your foundation with the setting spray is the key to get a beautiful foundation. So I set my face with a pack setting spray and I think it looks just so beautiful and so skin like and so nice even in real life. So if you are dry skin, then please don't forget to use a setting spray. If you are someone who is blessed with normal to oily skin, it is going to look beautiful on you even without a setting spray. Overall, I really like the finish and the coverage of the foundation. It stays put for 8+ hours even in this heat and humidity. It is sweat proof, that is अगर आप अपना sweat dab करते हो तो वो निकलता नहीं है. It stayed put on me for good 8 hours. After that, it started rubbing off, you know, around my chin area, cheeks, around my nose, and that is also because I was eating a lot, and then started like, you know, wiping off a bit. One more thing is that it does not give you a flashback. So if you are going to be in a place जहाँ पे flash photography use हो रही है, then I think this is a perfect foundation. So one more thing to take into consideration is that this foundation oxidizes like crazy. So this was the swatch of the foundation, just the beginning of the video tha, and now this is a fresh swatch. Can you see the difference? Same foundation और इतना difference है. This really oxidizes a lot, so please take that into consideration if you decide to, you know, purchase this foundation. So overall, if you will ask me, then I would definitely recommend this foundation if you are in the market for a new one. It is quite affordable and it comes in 17 different shades, so the chances of you finding your perfect shade match is really high. So if you do decide to buy this foundation, then please let me know what you thought about it. So that's it from me. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care.